There are a lot of challenges in this space. I'm just going to bring up a few that comes to my mind. First off, I would say that there is still a huge knowledge gap within the space. And whilst being in this gap of knowledge as well, we are seeing that ESG and reporting is very much personal dependent as well. So you have persons who sits with a lot of knowledge, and when they leave or change firms or anything, there's a gap that you need to fill from the firm sides and the corporate sides. That is, you don't have that kind of knowledge really in the firm to say. There are of course other things as well. There need to streamline reporting in a good way. A lot of the data is proxy data at the moment, much is estimates, and what we are seeing is regulations are asking for more accurate data that you have measured to a certain extent as well. Yeah, so I will talk from our platform side. We are a SaaS company, so we provide a platform to help our customers to collect all their ESG data into one place, to structure it, and to make analysis based on what you report as well. And all this data can then also be exported out of the platform in a very easy way to use in any kind of sustainability reports, or to be used for investors, limited partners, and so on. But we also provide a full solution offering as well, where you can connect with other offerings that we have within our group. For example, our advisory, academy, and assurance leg as well, to bring in more knowledge basically. Yeah, that's a great question. So I would like to come back to our integrated offerings. So we are a group, we do not only provide a platform, but we actually have 4 different arms where we provide services. So first, of course, bringing back to the platform side, we have a great platform to help out to make your ESG approach more data-driven to begin with. We have advisories who are experts on different reporting frameworks, disclosures, and they can come in and help to bring in ESG on a strategic level as well. And then we also have our academy side where we provide e-learning modules to bring up knowledge within the organization and to minimize the knowledge gap that most organizations are experiencing today. And finally, we have an insurance leg to help out on giving second opinions on sustainability reports, and also to help out on green bond certificates as well. So I would say why firms should work with us is that we can come in providing a full solution, and we also support our customer during their entire ESG journey as well. So we don't leave them at any stage. We can help them during their entire transition that they undertake in the space. Yeah, there are a lot of challenges coming back to the data and how you handle your data basically. We have a lot of disclosures and regulations coming up in the near future. They are requiring a lot from firms and organizations. Not only do you need to be able to audit and track your data, but you also need to get a hold of what is the source to the data. If you are doing, let's say, bring an example, if you do carbon accounting, what kind of emissions are behind that calculations being presented. Basically to bring all that in place and to be aligned and compliant is a huge challenge. Also because a lot of that data is required to be presented on previous years as well. So if you're not working with this right now, it will be quite a large step to undertake this coming 2 years now that all of these regulations will come in place. So I would say definitely that's something to look into if you're not doing it right now. I found it amazing. It's been a lot of fun, a lot of great discussions and conversation going. It's always interesting to hear what's on the market, what's happening on the tech side as well, and to hear about the challenges and the needs for all the wealth managers and asset managers. So it's been a great event so far.